incredible moments caught on camera where human skill meets the untamed power of nature. From ships tipping on their first launch to lightning storms tearing through the night sky, every scene reminds us how unpredictable the world can be. Now let's witness these real moments together. This little tugboat got swallowed by a giant wave created during the launch of a massive ship, but impressively, it refused to sink.
Ready?
A container ship lightly grazed the barrier under Miami Bridge, a clear reminder of how crucial precision is when navigating tight waterways. A dangerous moment at sea, a high-pressure hose snapped loose, nearly hitting the crew. Thankfully, their calm reaction kept everyone safe. After this incident, these two guys probably realized that steering a small boat straight into a massive wave. Now let's witness this man's epic boat jumping adventure, a daring moment that feels straight out of an action movie. Facing a big wave head-on in such a tiny boat, not the best idea. The result, a quick flip and a very wet lesson learned. If she hadn't been pushed, do you think she could have kept her balance on that kayak? Are these people performing stunts on their jet ski? If you're not a professional, don't even think about trying it. It rarely ends well. That might just be the fastest surf wipeout ever caught on camera. What do you think the quickest one you've seen? Oh no, the waves seemed to warn these guys that today wasn't going to be an easy day out at sea.
Mi sembri abbastanza sicura sul pescato.
Maybe they should have secured the dock ramp before the bride stepped on it. That would have saved them from a rather splashy wedding moment.
Com'è successo?
That log clearly wasn't enough to stop their boat. They powered right through like it was nothing. This man turned his power drill into a makeshift boat engine, and unbelievably, it actually worked. A tugboat lost control and collided with an oil tanker. The impact tore a small hole in the tanker's hull, though luckily, no one was injured. A rare mishap occurred when part of a ship broke off and fell onto the dock. A stark reminder of how vital strict safety procedures are in shipbuilding. A heart-stopping scene. A vessel tilted under heavy overload, causing two massive cranes to crash straight into the water. Chaos and tension filled the harbor. Well, now he can swim to his boat without worrying about getting his clothes wet. They're already soaked. Unexpected things can happen anytime if you skip safety checks. In Gresik, Indonesia, a cargo ship struck the Dolphin mooring bridge at Petrokimia port. Fortunately, no one was hurt, though both the vessel and equipment suffered damage. It was probably the worst possible debut for a new ship capsizing right after its first touch with the water. A yacht captain lost control and crashed into multiple boats in the marina, creating a chaotic, almost unbelievable scene of maritime mayhem. In the midst of storm, Ophelia, a ship off the coast of Cork, battled ferocious waves, a breathtaking display of strength and resilience against the fury of the sea. A tense moment on a deserted highway, an elderly man crossed just in time as a speeding car swerved away, a powerful reminder to stay alert and safe at all times. The white SUV dangerously cut across the highway, narrowly avoiding a head-on collision with a speeding truck. A split second of luck that prevented disaster. Keeping balance on a fast-moving raft isn't nearly as easy as it looks from a distance. Do you think this guy completely forgot about his girlfriend when he hit the throttle and left her stranded on the water? Unbelievable. This guy makes conquering a dam by kayak look effortless, pure confidence and control on display. A freight car loaded with fertilizer derailed and slammed into another locomotive. The deafening crash left everyone at the scene frozen in shock. Just one careless second near the train tracks can stop a heartbeat. This chilling footage reminds us that railways demand full attention always. California's skies lit up with a rare spectacle. A blazing fireball streaked across the night, leaving witnesses speechless in awe. From space, the view was breathtaking, a comet rising over the aurora before dawn, nature's own cosmic masterpiece. At Dana Point, dolphins raced alongside a small boat, almost as if challenging the crew to a high-speed contest across the waves. Have you ever wondered how a creature as slow as a clam actually moves underwater? Nature's designs never cease to surprise. Caltrans workers narrowly escaped when an entire hillside collapsed onto Highway 101, a real-life brush with disaster caught on camera.
Are you kidding me? Whoa!
Sinkholes can appear anywhere, even in the heart of a busy city, a sobering reminder of the hidden forces at work beneath our feet. As the storm swept through Houston, power lines burst into sparks, illuminating the night sky with flashes of electric fire. A loud explosion echoed through the rain. A live wire caught fire right behind a house. Safety tip: always stay far away from downed power lines during storms. At a construction site near Penzance, Cornwall, a dramatic lightning strike hit a steel scaffold proof that when storms roll in the safest place is indoors.
Hit the scaffold!
In an instant, a fierce tornado ripped the roof clean off an olive oil factory in Greece, a terrifying display of nature's raw strength. Flames rose high as strong winds howled. Then suddenly a swirling dust devil filled with tumbleweeds swept through right in front of firefighter Thomas Rogers' camera in Colorado. This guy had quite a dance going on his boat, until it ended with a not-so-graceful splash. Maybe he should have secured his boat and left the dock before that storm rolled in. Timing is everything when the waves start rising. The waves gave these guys no chance to escape on their inflatable raft. Maybe next time they'll try a smarter way off the beach. With his size, do you think he should probably choose a bigger boat next time?
Got it on video.
It might just save him from an early dip. He tried to turn dusting into a cool performance, but his laptop didn't agree. It crashed to the floor with perfect comedic timing. One sudden move and the table self-destructed, sending two unlucky guests straight into slapstick history. A man tripped over the towing cable between two trucks, falling hard, but luckily escaping with only minor injuries. A small accident, but a big reminder to stay alert. A truck lost its brakes and rolled backward down a hill as the driver ran for safety before slamming into another car caught on dashcam. A drone captured the heart-stopping moment when a racing yacht sped past a patrol boat, missing it by inches. Pure tension and precision on the water. A rare incident in Brisbane Harbor, a Japanese naval vessel lightly bumped the dock while maneuvering in. No major damage, just a lesson in cautious navigation. In just a second, an entire container slid off a truck and skated across the road, a chilling reminder of the dangers of speeding with heavy loads. Even a single sharp turn can trigger chaos in a busy intersection. Always drive carefully and stay aware of your surroundings. The pilot will never forget this landing. The plane greeted the runway barrier head-on, turning an ordinary touchdown into a shocking surprise.
Everybody stay off the track. Stay where you are.
In a busy intersection, a truck got stuck amid heavy traffic. The driver frantically motioned for help, but before his hand even dropped, bam! A collision erupted in an instant. A life-or-death moment. A semi-truck was trapped on the tracks. As a speeding train approached, the crash was violent, yet miraculously the cab was empty. Like a living painting of nature, green and violet auroras danced gracefully across the Alaskan sky. Off the coast of Galveston, sailors came face to face with a killer whale, an encounter that turned an ordinary voyage into a once-in-a-lifetime story.
It'd be a really bad time to go swimming.
High above, thousands of starlings filled the sky in unison, forming mesmerizing shapes so perfect they looked unreal. The view from Mount Taylor was both awe-inspiring and chilling nature, showing its magnificent beauty, while reminding us of its raw, unpredictable power. An avalanche thundered down a mountain in Argentina. The roar echoing through the valley left everyone breathless in stunned silence. A massive explosion rocked a grain storage facility at the port of Durance, Turkey, a powerful reminder of why safety is critical in industrial zones. The final remains of the Broadway Bridge collapsed dramatically into the Arkansas River after a controlled demolition, a symbolic end to a local landmark. A rare phenomenon in Kansas, a reverse lightning bolt flashed across the night sky, painting a mysterious masterpiece of nature's power. A rare firenado erupted near Tennant Creek. Swirling flames climbed skyward in a fiery tornado that looked straight out of a movie.
We're in a tornado!
A violent tornado swept through St. Louis, scattering debris and nearly injuring a construction worker. A terrifying moment of pure chaos caught on camera.
Zach and I saw that motherfucker start.
A woman's dirty water bowl slipped from her hand, splashing all over a passing biker in a moment of accidental comedy. Terrifying moment. A tractor suddenly tipped over at an intersection, crashing down onto a car's hood. Incredibly, no one was seriously injured. A truck door flew open out of nowhere, slamming into a parked car and dragging it several feet, a truly heart-stopping moment. Even 1 minute of distraction can have serious consequences. Have you ever witnessed a near disaster like this before? The airplane's wings looked like they were painting clouds today. Mesmerizing vapor swirls formed behind it, turning physics into a work of art. The legendary Spitfire attempted a grand comeback only to stall mid-performance. The frozen propeller made the crowd think it was all part of the act. Just a split second of misjudgment and everything nearly spiraled out of control. Thankfully, fate stepped in at the last possible moment. Talk about a wrong turn. This city bus ended up in the middle of a railroad crossing. A scene straight out of an action movie, but miraculously it ended safely.
Evet, kaç dakika oldu? Hala terlenmedi. Çok kötü oldu.
From the summit of Oregon's Black Crater volcano, a stunning time-lapse captured the Perseid meteor shower, lighting up the night sky, nature's own cosmic fireworks. These incredible moments caught on camera remind us that awareness and respect are our best protection. Until next time, stay safe and keep marveling at the power of our planet.